Good day, friends. I'm Engineer Frank Stanley, and today I'll be taking you guys on time. When a bird is alive, it feeds on ants. But when the same bird dies, it's not fed by ants. Time and circumstances changes at any given period. Whatever you do in life, try as much as possible never to devalue or hurt someone. You may think you are powerful today, but time is more powerful than you are. It takes only one tree to make a million mastics, but it takes only one mastic to set the whole forest on fire. No matter how tall you are, you can never see tomorrow. No matter how rich you are, you can never pay for your sins. No matter the cost of a bed, you can never buy sleep. No matter how smart you are, you can never know the exact time that you slept last night. No matter how brave you are, you can never carry yourself to the grave. I'm Engineer Frank Stanley once more, aka Blake City. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channels at engineerfrankstanley.com. Thank you.